Good morning, everybody. Welcome to iFleet. Today we're going to show you how to do Kaleidoscope. It's a beautiful day out, so I think it's pretty fun, especially this weekend where the sun will be out. This is something very simple, something very fun, especially in these times. You can get this stuff very easily, hopefully. Just a toilet roll right here. Make sure you don't bend them. Make sure they're firm. All right, I cut a paper enough to wrap this around to make it really pretty. Some of you might like to color this to make it pretty. That's fine. That's what my son will do most probably. What I did was here is to get some reflective paper. Mine is both sides like a sheet. All right, but what you can do is you can just buy one-sided reflective sheet. Okay, you can get it online or in one of the craft stores, Walmart, Target. So what you need to do is, I have put some double-sided tape. What I did was cut them into 3 so I can show you how to make a prism. Okay, so the part, I have connected the 3 parts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to connect one side of this over here to the other side to make it, okay, a rectangle like this. Okay, looks like a triangle. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of tape, all right, and I'm going to connect these 2 guys. I'll be very careful not to squish them too much. Okay, I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to put another reflection tape over here. So the thing is, we are trying to make it like a prism. Okay, can you see that? Okay, now I'm going to take this. Before I do that, I'm going to cover this, all right, with this beautiful purple, which is my favorite color. All right, okay, so I'm going to roll it to make it look really pretty. Now you can get any color you want. That's one of your favorites. Mine is purple. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to insert in right here. All right, if you're thinking of folding, that's why I put the double-sided scotch tapes. What I can do is I can take some tapes. Okay, I can take this out, a couple of double-sided scotch tape just to hold it a little so that it does not fall. Got it? All right, so now when you look, you see really pretty colors. All right, you'll see really pretty colors being reflected right here, and they are really pretty. Okay, you can go outside, you can see leaves, you can see a lot of reflections. This is pretty cool, and you can take these to do some outdoor exploration today. Send me some pictures of what you see. These are pretty cool. So we hope that you enjoy this really fun and cute activity, which is really short. Inbox us if you like something, show us what you did, and just share with us. Until then, we'll see you Monday. Next week is special. It's Earth Day, so we are going to upload a couple of free activities for you parents that you can use with your kiddos. And iFleet will have one activity each week to celebrate Earth Day, which is April 22nd. All right, kids, have a good weekend and be nice to your parents.